I think we are ready to start this video, Russell, and it's going to be the best video that you have ever seen.
Me or them?
Everybody.
All of us.
Everybody that's involved in this video right now, whether you're participating or you're watching, this is the best video you've ever seen on YouTube. And
like one of
ready.
Birds.
All right, welcome everybody. It's your boy, Tom and Russell. This, like I said in the intro, this is the best video we've ever done.
Top.
And I'm blown away by these notes that Russell has prepared. I kind of like the notes that I wrote down here. But this is going to be good. We've got kits. We have more kits. We have a giveaway.
Giveaway.
We have a discount code. We have a mention of a very rare part, which we still have in stock. We haven't talked about it for a while, but
okay.
I want to bring them up again. We have weekly shout outs, which is a new feature that I just came up with right now. And the part you've all been waiting for, the discontinued S13 part of the week. It's a weekly feature.
Ooh.
So
they don't want to hear that.
They don't want to hear it. Remember when we used to do Tom's tip of the week? That was for you to insert that noise in there, Russell. Yeah, that's gone, and I think what the new thing is going to be the S13 discontinued part of the week. I mean, it seems like every week we got a S13 part that's going away.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's dive right in. What do you got, Russell?
So parts kits, rear brake caliper rebuild / seal kit. This will work for the S13, the 180SX, so 97 and up on the late model 180SX, S14, 240SX Silvia, and then the S15 Silvia. I mean, it's got everything in it besides the caliper and the piston, the pistons. So, yeah, if you're picking up a set of used calipers from your buddy, or you just bought a 240, go through the brakes, check them out. But if you have the calipers off the car, great time to go through them.
Yeah.
Reseal them up, make sure they work. You don't want to find out the hard way. S13 center console hardware kit. Tom put this one together. We've got 18 various screws, 12, 4, and 2. So if you're pulling your console out, want some fresh hardware for it, or if you just bought a console, didn't have a console when you bought your shell.
And that was by popular demand, that kit.
Yes, we've had people asking for interior kits, and we've got a bunch more stuff in the works. S13 COWL refresh kit. This will come with all the hardware and a new COWL seal. Your COWL panel, if you don't know what that is, between the hood and the windshield where your wiper blades are, there's that panel with the vents. That's your COWL. Alex Paz actually asked about this, if we had a kit for this. We do now, Alex, and we also have a B-pillar hardware kit, notoriously popular. We sell those constantly. Every day. So Alex, if you'll look in the comments of this, or in I always say comments, the description of this video, there will be links to all this stuff. So if you need any help, hit the comments, let me know. What you got? Jump over to you.
I just have some discontinued parts of the week.
Okay.
So for the S13, Nissan has decided they're going to discontinue one side of the radio brackets. So those are gone, but we do have 2 to 3 sets, and we're only going to sell them as sets right now. So when those are all ready, we can pop a kit number up on the website. Also, the Japanese battery label. This actually fits multiple cars. It's just a little yellow sticker, Japanese writing on there, warnings about the battery. That's gone. We've got 2 left. 2, and that's it. I got a couple of shout outs.
Go ahead.
Josh Newman, he is a local guy. He bought an S14 hood and front bumper. He said thanks for the 10% discount. You're welcome.
Thank you, Josh.
Brent _ last week commented, where's the 10% off code? It's in the video. You got to watch it. You can't just scroll through, wait for something to flash up on the screen and be like, ooh, that's it. No, we only say it.
Yeah.
now.
I mean, turn your captions on. Maybe you'll catch it that way.
Yeah.
But otherwise, yeah, you got to pay attention.
Russell says that he'll watch videos on fast speed. Triple speed. And he turns the volume up real loud.
Exercise in my mind. It's like a sprint.
And as soon as he hears the word discount, he'll stop. So discount.
Yeah, there's going to be a discount somewhere in this video. So, giveaway.
Yes.
Surprised Tom with this one. We didn't really plan it, but I feel like it's time. We haven't done a giveaway in a bit. We are going to be giving away a set of the Nismo lug nuts. These are not the inexpensive Nismo lug nuts. These are the expensive ones.
Yeah.
These will fit the LMGTs. They are a skinnier lug nut, so they'll go in that skinny little thing. So you want to win a set of these, you're going to need to like the video, be a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, we're going to toss out your comment.
Why are you even here?
Why are you here?
Not a subscriber?
Just subscribe. Come on.
We're here every week.
Yeah, you don't have to watch the video every week if you subscribe, but we highly recommend it because every week 1% better.
Yeah.
And then in 3 years you can say, man, I remember when their videos were so bad.
Yeah.
So
not even going to mention the energy drink one.
So we want to know how and when the romance between you and the company we all love, Nissan, began. What is the story? Tell us about it. Did your dad own an old Z car? Probably your uncle. Your uncle definitely owned a Z car. We will announce the winner in next Friday's video. We will not tell you you've won in the comments. I can tell you that right now. We will not ask you for any payment for shipping, customs, anything. So don't fall for any tricks in the comments. Last giveaway got ransacked.
Do not send anybody money that says you've won. We just need some customs money or sales tax money or whatever. Don't respond to it.
Yeah, don't do that. Just ignore it. If you have a question, feel free to email me or call me or whatever. Comment, ask. 10% off discount code. Did you know that it is impossible for most people to lick their elbow? Did you know that?
I mean, it makes sense. I did not know that as to be factual.
Now that I know it, I'm upset. Because I really wanted to be able to do it.
Because there's finally something that you cannot do.
Finally. So 10% off code this week is going to be elbow. Elbow is the discount code. That's ELBOW.
Yeah, and that will save you 10% off.
Yeah.
Any item on the website.
Anything.
Yeah. Something that might be money well spent. The 180SX KOUKI taillight kits.
I knew you were going to mention that.
Yes.
Because,
it's been a while.
Yeah.
We still have kits in stock, and they're complete kits. I went online, seeing what they are going for, and there's people selling them as kits without that lower garnish. Our kits come with the lower garnish. It's fairly priced. The 10% off discount code will work on it. So shop around.
Yeah.
Check with the rest and then come back to the best and save it 10%.
That's right.
There you go.
Link in the description. I got it right that time. Yeah, that's it.
That is our video for this Friday. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you were blown away by that 1%. You could tell it was 1% better.
You can. By the way it snowed and hailed all over us yesterday.
Yeah.
Do you think it'll do that tonight?
No, I'm optimistic. I'm having a great Friday.
It is actually nice.
Awesome. It is.
So, all right. You guys have a good weekend. Hopefully you don't get any bad weather like we're going to have all weekend.
Enjoy.
And win these
Nismo things.
Nismo things.
That go down in the thing.